I'm about to share my go-to trick that guarantees fresh breath in seconds, and it really works every single time. Did you know that nearly 1 in 4 adults suffer from bad breath? Yep, that's a lot of people walking around with less than fresh breath. Have you ever found yourself in an awkward situation? Maybe talking to someone up close and suddenly realizing it's not the minty freshness you hoped for? Let's be real, it can be super embarrassing. Today, we're diving into the world of bad breath, why it happens, and more importantly, how to get rid of it instantly. Whether you're heading into a big meeting, going on a date, or just want to feel confident chatting with friends, I'll share some super effective solutions that work every time. So, let's talk about what causes bad breath. There are a few key culprits here. First up, poor oral hygiene is a biggie. If you're not brushing and flossing regularly, bacteria can build up and cause that not-so-pleasant smell. Then there's diet. Certain foods like garlic and onions can wreak havoc on your breath. And let's not forget about medical conditions like dry mouth or sinus infections that can contribute to the problem. It's no wonder so many people deal with this issue. All right, now let's get into the good stuff. What can we do about it? Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth. To rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds, you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.